Hello everyone, this is a quick video explaining how to embed a video into our class discussion. So it's not enough for you to provide a link to your YouTube page. What I want you to do is embed the actual video into the discussion so we won't have to click on a link and go away from the site. First things first, you need a YouTube account, similar to what I've got displayed here. It's really simple. I'm not going to go through the whole process there. You go, you sign up with your email address, you verify your email address, and then basically you have a YouTube account right there. And there's a number of different ways you can record things. You can hook your cell phone up to it, your laptop, you can get a camera, any number of ways to move video from your device onto YouTube itself. But once you've recorded a video, we need to get that video into our course discussion, and it's actually pretty simple, so you're not going to have to worry too much about figuring out how to do that. So here is my introduction video. You can see here Mr. A class introduction, and I guess this brings up another point here too. For legal reasons, this is interesting, but for legal reasons, we can't say UWM or the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee on our YouTube titles. Because the university doesn't have a license with YouTube, we're not allowed to go and advertise our stuff in there, and vice versa. So instead, you just need to say something like Mr. A class introduction or week 1 discussion, things of that nature. Now, I can't force you to stay within the legal ramification of things, but do understand that YouTube or the university requests for your video to be removed if it says UWM or University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. It's not illegal for us to use it, we just can't have that title built that way. And I guess I can find more specific reasons for that later if you really need, but for the meantime, just don't put those in your titles. Anyways, so here is my introductory video, and if you look down through here, there's always going to be something that says share. You can like the video or dislike it. Please don't dislike a bunch of my videos. I think it would be really weird. But anyways, if you click share, you get a little bit more information here. Now, this thing that's highlighted right now is not what you're looking for. That is a direct link to the video itself. Instead, we want down here where it says embed. Okay? When you click on that, you get a whole different set of information. And the embedded information is this, right here below where it says embed video. If you click just once on that, the whole thing highlights. You can click copy down here in the corner, or you can use your command copy button down on your laptop or whatever you're using. But once we're copied that, we're good there. We don't actually have to be on the page anymore. So we go back to our D2L page. Here is the home page, and what I'm looking for is discussions, though you can go into content first if you really want. We click on discussion, we look at where we're at. We're looking at week 1 introductions thread here. Click that guy. Scroll down just a little bit, and I'm assuming at this point you'll have read all this stuff, and we click Start New Thread. Need a subject line in there. Mr. A introduction video. Keep in mind something that you probably don't realize is that there's no spell check here in the D2L, so if you misspell something, it's going to show up for everybody. So sometimes it's a good idea to write everything up in Word beforehand before you throw that in there. And then to embed that video with the code you already have, it's this left icon above where you would post any written information. And if we click on that guy, it takes us to a screen with a bunch of options. Ignore the one that says YouTube. That's not what we're looking for either. Instead, we're going to that idea of embed the code again. We click on embed code. You just paste in what you'd selected and copied from your YouTube page. Click next. It shows you that the video is right there waiting for you. I've got my excellent thumbnail that YouTube chooses for you, which is kind of weird, but that's fine. You're never going to get a good one. Click Insert, and there it is, all set up and ready to go. I click Post. Wait for a second to see that it's gone up there, and there it is. We can see that the Mr. A introduction video is ready to go. You can reply to these threads in written format, or you can reply through video if you would like. It's the same way. Post another video. There's that button there on the left. So written responses are perfectly acceptable this week, and that's all you need. All right, good luck.